Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I'm here at Walmart. Look at this guy. I thought he was someone dressed up as the Grinch, but it's actually, I think he's for sale. Here we've got all these unique wreaths, Magic of Christmas. This one's a top hat and beautiful red flowered one and a snowman one and this Santa one. These will look great either on a door or above your fireplace or above your bed in your bedroom or even on a shelf. Look at that one right there that's a snowman. And then we've got some other ones here, some snowmen. And here we've got all unique kinds of ornaments. These are beautiful. They're all golden colored. They're only $1.98. This Santa, glittery gold Santa, so cute. These would look pretty either on a tree or on a mantle with some greenery. And this one's a Cinderella one. That's so unique. And we've got so many to choose from. A little crown up there, and they're all only $1.98. Look at this one. It's beautiful. And so if you're wanting to do some of your decorating with gold in it, this is the place to go. We've got all kinds of gold icicles, gold pine cones, and then we've got the silver going on down here. If you wanted to do all silver, they're beautiful, or the gold and silver together. That's gorgeous. And then next to it, we've got the candy cane theme and this gingerbread house, only $1.98. That's super cute. Oh my goodness, look at this little train with all the candy on it. That one is $3.98. And then we've got these gingerbread ladies and some other, oh, I have not seen these. These are super cute. I love these. Oh my goodness. Made with love. Bake fresh. These are so adorable. And they would look so cute on a package or on a tree, on a theme tree, or on a shelf. Super cute. Look at that. I love those peppermint wheels. What do we got here? All kinds of things that are gingerbread related. Super cute. And they're kind of sparkly. That looks like they have extra sugar on them. And these have little chef hats. And then an ice cream cone and a tray filled with cookies. Oh my goodness. And another one in a little circular tray. What do we got here? We've got a penguin and a little, this is a pick. It's a pick with a bunch of gingerbread. That'd be cute in some type of package or gift basket. Let's see, what do we have down here? So this is the black and white theme ornaments. A bunch to choose from with the black and white theme, which is really pretty and unique. And oh, that one's cute. I really like that one. And let's see, peace ornament. Oh, those are adorable. Oh my goodness. Love those. And we've got more pine cones and this is more like a woodlands kind of ornaments here. And some angel wings and so many here. This is beautiful and it's only $1.98. That would look cute. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Love these. Merry Christmas. I love those sled ornaments. And I mean, you could use them anywhere in your house, on a wreath or on a shelf. Let's see here. This one's very pretty. It's got the moose on it. And we've got the cardinal theme. It looks like deck the halls, happy holidays. more of a red colored theme to choose from. The berries, look at how cute this red truck is. Only $1.98. Let's see here. And then we've got the pine cones here that are different colors. And just Walmart's got so much to choose from. If you're liking this so far, please like and subscribe to my channel and keep shopping with me. Look at all these different things that we have to choose from here. I like them all. Look at that green train and deck the halls. Super cute. And Merry Christmas. I like these shadow boxes. They're only $1.98. Love the cardinals. I love anything with cardinals on it. This is a hat ornament. And let's see, what else do we have here? Some candy canes, joy, and these tassels. And look at that. Oh my goodness. I have not seen a lot of these. Another shadow box. And I love the North Pole Post little mailing ornament. And let's see here. We've got different red and green ornaments to choose from here. There's that truck. There's a green truck. This is Merry Christmas. And this lantern. Love lanterns. They look so festive on a shelf, on a mantle. Let's see, little red teddy bear, Merry Christmas, and I love the cardinal one that says Happy Holidays, and these red poinsettias. And now we're heading into, looks like some different things here. These are gorgeous. This silver themed, so pretty, and they look like they cost more than $1.98. And then right next to it is this pink colored theme going on. So you got the silver theme right here with some silver picks that would look cute in a wreath, and the snowflakes. And then look at these gorgeous ornaments. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. You've got the pink nutcrackers, or maybe it's more of a mauve color, mauvish pink. And look at this gnome. Oh my goodness, these are so cute and pretty at the same time. We've got we've got this, that's unusual, this little pink tree, and I've never seen these before. Look at those, aren't they cute? And same thing up here. They've got little colorful balls in them. And right next to it is like a, almost like a cupcake theme going on there. And a pink truck. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen so many different colored themes all at one place. You've got this rainbow theme going on right there with the rainbow tree and these rainbow colored balls. Look at how pretty they are. Now over here we've got, these are only 98 cents. So these are ornaments that are just in boxes that you could choose from. Pink and blue snowmen. And there's a seal right here with a Santa hat on it. And right here, these are cute. These are little mouse picks, but they could be used as an ornament also. Just take that stick off of them. Then we got these nutcrackers for $4. And these fabric penguins, 4 for $4. Snowmen, 4 for $4. And what are these? Little reindeer. And then these are $7.47 for 8 of these cute, adorable snowmen. And these are cute also. Red Santa ornaments. They are $7.47 also for 8 of them. Would look cute on a wreath. And then these, 'tis the season for getting lit. These are kind of funny little signs. They're also, I guess they're picks. So you could put them, you know, in a plant or something like that. There's another elf. These are only 98 cents that are in these boxes right here. So lots to choose from with these. They're all a lot of different varieties here to choose from. And so there's a pretzel with some things on them. And then we've got, these are unusual also. So they're garland, and they range from $4.98 let's see, to $8.97. And so let's see, you could just choose whatever theme you want. Those will look pretty on garland also. Let's see here, we've got more ornaments, $4.98, $5.98. Oh, these are adorable, these Santas. Look at this, it plays music. Love it, but it's not playing it, so I'm sure it does play it, but it's not working. It's got a little mirror. That is adorable. And then Santa and Mrs. Claus dancing. Look at those upside down legs there. Hilarious. And these are cute. These are nostalgic. Super cute trees, and just so much. Well, I'm going to end here with the shopping trip. I'm going to end with the Grinch. So I hope you had a good time with this Walmart walkthrough. Until next time, see you then. Bye-bye.